Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will show you how to send files from your phone to this laptop. And to do it, you'll have to be connected to the internet, because we're gonna be using a third-party website which is called Pairdrop.net. Here you can check the pronunciation, and once we connect to this website, we'll be given a nickname for a device that we're using, which is the laptop for now. And as you can see, I'm Violet Hedgehog. So to connect my smartphone, I have to click on the link icon right here, and right now I can either input this number in this field on my phone, so I'd have to open up this page on my phone and then enter the number that I can see on the display of the laptop into this field right here once I click on the link button on my phone. But I can do it far more easily by just scanning this QR code you can see right here, like this, and just entering the website. Okay, and once I scan the QR code and enter the website, my phone is automatically connected to the network. So right now the only thing I have to do is to click on the device, which is the laptop, which is the Violet Hedgehog. I don't think you can see it right now, but once I click on it, I can select a file that I want to send. So let me do that real quick. Okay, I got my file edited, and as you can see, it's almost here. We just need to click accept, and the file is successfully downloaded. And that's basically how you transfer files from your phone to your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.